Hey everyone, your friend James here, and today we are taking a look at a small Volkswagen. Well, maybe not this small, but it's the D52 Mini from CXD, an officially licensed Volkswagen T1 bus. Some of you may know CXD as a subsidiary of WPL, who's brought us fun little products like the D12 Mini K-Truck and the D22 D32 Mini EV. Interestingly, CXD is also working with Maisto on this project. Maisto is a very well-known manufacturer of static model vehicles. Without further ado, let's unbox the vehicle. The D52 Mini comes mostly pre-assembled. Minimal assembly is required before the vehicle is ready for the open road. Remove the screws that hold the vehicle to the box, and cut the two zip ties to release the vehicle. In the plastic bag is where you'll find some chrome trim pieces, rearview mirror, Volkswagen logo, and some wipers. Due to some imperfections in the plastic and the layer of chrome on top of the plastic, the installation of the trim pieces took more time than I expected. I had to trim the tab on this particular chrome piece to make it fit the body a little bit better. The transmitter is the same unit as you find on any CXD product, but it is not compatible with the D12 Mini. I was unable to confirm if this transmitter works with the D22 or D32 Mini, as that vehicle I gave to my little nephew. A speed selector and trim functionality are built into this transmitter. The throttle and steering channels are both fully proportional. Underneath the vehicle, here's where the battery sits. This is a 14500 sized battery with a 500 mAh capacity and a micro JST connector. The on-off button can also be found on the chassis. The front independent and rear-wheel drive solid rear axle design is very similar to previous CXD products. You won't see CXD branded anywhere on the chassis, only the Maisto and Volkswagen branding. Here's a quick size comparison to the D12 Mini. So the D52 Mini is very detailed for its price. The retro lights I really like, the very nice chrome work, the red looks incredible. They did a great job of capturing the essence of the Volkswagen T1 bus. Incredibly, the T1 bus also has a chromed steering wheel and a full interior. Even the legendary Volkswagen air-cooled engine has been represented on this vehicle. Unfortunately, there is a bit of light leak from the rear lights, which does affect the scale looks of the vehicle. If you've made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. I think the D52 Mini is a great representation of the Volkswagen T1 bus, though there are some issues that I think the potential buyer should be aware of. First of all, it doesn't like to track in a straight line. You'll need constant steering input, and trimming doesn't really help. Secondly, the vehicle doesn't like to climb any gradients or accelerate from a full stop. The lights will dim and sometimes the vehicle will just stop. Finally, the suspension isn't very refined, let's say. It would crash over any uneven terrain. So overall, it's a very good representation of the T1 bus from everything I've heard. But think of it as a static model that actually moves and you won't be disappointed. Anyways, that's what I think of the D52 Mini. Hope that helps you decide on whether or not this is the right vehicle for you. Special thanks to my friend Gong for video support, and to Asia RC Depot for their support of my unbiased reviews. Take care and we'll see you in the next one.